Alright guys, this is Shadow. We are going to be learning physics. So what is physics? So physics is understanding the world around us. And we are going to be using math as a tool to understand the world around us. So that being said, let's start with a meter stick. We all know how long a meter stick is. So this is going to be a meter stick. And the length of this meter stick is exactly 1 meter. So we are already going to be introducing the concept of length. And we're going to define length as into how far an object is. Or, the distance or whatever. So anyways, so we're going to look up ChatGPT for that part. So move on. ChatGPT. So let's say you have, I think I wrote something here, so let me pull that up. Remember, this is just a prototype video. This is not going to be public or anything like that, so I'm just going to doing this on my own. So let's say you walk from, ooh, this is nice, from the value of a being the variable, that's going to be from from 1 to 10 of the variable a, then you walk an extra, the variable b being the variable from b to, oh, that's supposed to be from 1 to 10. Oh my god, that actually makes sense. I was confused about that. So let me just erase this. So this is going to be from 1 to 10. This variable is going to be from 10 to 1. So what is the total what is the total distance traveled at C? And C is going to be the value from 2 to 10 or 2 to 20. So that's basically saying you walk an extra 5 meters to a destination, and then you walk an extra 3 meters to a destination. Or let's say 8 meters. And then you walk an extra 3 meters to a destination. What is the total meters? Which is going to be 11 meters. So if A equals 8, B equals 3, C equals 11 meters. So already we can introduce the Cartesian line. So this is going to be the x-axis. And let's give the same scenario. Let's say you start at the position centimeters from the center of town or something like that. I don't know. Let's say the pencil is 10 meters long, or 10 centimeters. I don't know exactly how long a pencil is, but fuck it. And let's say you walk an extra 10 centimeters, and then you put an extra pencil. What is the total length of this pencil? So let's say a rod is made up of 3 pencils. There you go. 1. Let's do that one. 2. 3. What is the total length of the rod? So if a rod is made up of 3 pencils, each with certain number of length, what is the total length of the rod? So and what is half the length of the rod? How many pencils it will take to make a with whole numbers? Final and there you go. So we're going to do that, and that's it. We're going to adjust the x-axis a bit and see what problems we can come up with. So we're going to be learning arithmetic. All right, we are done.